Class First, Unit 8.9, The Fox and the Crane. Look, listen and enact. चला तर मग काय आहे रे 8.9 युनिटमध्ये पेज नंबर आहे 32, वर्ग आहे पहिली. चला तर पेज नंबर 32 तुम्हीही वाचन करण्याचा प्रयत्न करायचा आहे. Once a fox meet a crane. Hello crane, how are you? I am fine, thank you. How are you? I am fine. Crane, do you like kheer? Oh, I love you kheer. Then come to my house. We'll have kheer. Crane went to Fox's house. Fox served kheer into dish. Eat up your kheer quickly. Then I will give you some more. Poor crane, he could not eat quickly from the dish. Fox ate up all the kheer. He began to laugh. Ha ha ha. Crane said, Fox, come to my house tomorrow. We will have some more kheer. Fox went to Crane's house. Crane served kheer into tall pitchers. Eat up your kheer quickly. Then I will give you some more. Poor fox, he could not eat quickly from the pitcher, so Crane ate up all the kheer. Fox learned his lesson.